Measures against COVID-19, new coronavirus, for first foods products. Fast food stores are implementing various measures against COVID-19, new coronavirus. Various measures such as wearing a mask, disinfecting fingers and furniture, wearing gloves, measuring the temperature of customers and employees, ventilation in the store, physical distancing, etc. should be taken to prevent it. At fast food stores, we take measures such as storing products in a closed sale case. It is said that the cause of COVID-19, new coronavirus, infection is that it enters the body from hands through food. The best method at first food stores is to completely seal products in film or paper individually. However, the packaging must be such that it can be opened and eaten without touching the product with your hands. Wash your hands before eating. The eaten without touching the food would be good. Customers who bought it will be pleased. Use this packaging bag. Size. There are various. Also produced in the specified design. It can be used for various sandwiches and burgers. Also produced in the specified design. Sample goods are delivered free of charge. Please contact us for more details.